Tuktuk is one of the most popular modes of transport in many countries. The small three-wheeler vehicle is not only affordable, but it's also fuel-efficient and perfect for navigating busy city streets. But have you ever wondered how tuk-tuks are made? From the frame to the engine, every part of this iconic vehicle is manufactured with precision and care. So let us take a closer look at the Tuktuk factory and see how these vehicles are made from start to finish. Our journey into the world of tuk-tuk manufacturing begins at the factory, where it all comes together. The factory is buzzing with activity as workers get ready to assemble the latest models of tuk-tuks. Before anything else can happen, the raw materials need to be gathered and prepared. This includes everything from the metal for the frame to the plastic for the bodywork to the electrical components. Once all the parts are gathered, the assembly process can begin. The first step in making a tuk-tuk is to construct the frame. This is the backbone of the vehicle and needs to be strong and durable to withstand the rigors of daily use. The frame is typically made from a combination of steel and aluminum, which are chosen for their lightweight yet robust properties. Workers use specialized tools to cut, bend, and weld the metal into the desired shape. Once the frame is complete, it is then sandblasted and painted to protect it from rust and corrosion. With the frame finished, it's time to move on to the bodywork. This is where the tuk-tuk really starts to take shape and become the iconic vehicle we all recognize. The bodywork is made from a combination of fiberglass and plastic, which are molded into the distinctive three-wheeled design. Workers use molds to give the plastic its final form, ensuring that each piece is identical to the last. Once the plastic is cooled and hardened, it is removed from the molds and any imperfections are sanded down and made smooth. The bodywork is then primed and painted in the customer's chosen color. Now it's time to add the finishing touches to the exterior. This includes fitting the lights, indicators, mirrors, and other exterior trim. Workers carefully attach each component, ensuring that everything is secure and aligned correctly. Once the exterior is complete, the Tuktuk is ready to move on to the next stage. But before we go any further now, let's talk about the engine. This is the heart of the Tuktuk and what makes it go. Most tuk-tuks are powered by a small petrol or diesel engine that sits at the front of the vehicle. The engine is connected to a gearbox, which then powers the wheels. The engine is installed into the frame by a team of skilled mechanics who ensure that it is securely mounted and all the necessary connections are made. The mechanics also test the engine to make sure it is working properly before moving on. With the engine in place, it's time to add the other important components, such as the fuel tank, exhaust system, and electrical system. The fuel tank is mounted securely to the frame and the exhaust system is attached to the engine. The electrical system is then wired up, including the battery, starter motor, and alternator. Once everything is connected, the Tuktuk is ready for a final inspection before it is shipped out to the customer. The completed Tuktuk is inspected thoroughly to make sure that everything is in working order. The brakes, steering, and lights are all checked to ensure they are functioning properly. Any final adjustments are made, and the Tuktuk is then fueled up and test-driven to make sure it handles correctly. If everything checks out, the Tuktuk is ready to be delivered to its new owner. In addition to the standard Tuktuk models, some factories also offer customization options. Customers can choose from a range of colors and even request custom designs. Some tuk-tuks are even equipped with air conditioning for added comfort. These special requests require additional time and effort, but the factory is happy to accommodate them to ensure that each tuk-tuk is truly unique. Manufacturing tuk-tuks is a highly skilled job that requires a lot of precision and attention to detail. From the welding of the frame to the painting of the bodywork, each step is critical in creating a high-quality vehicle that will last for years to come. The mechanics who work on the engines and electrical systems need to be experts in their field to ensure that the tuk-tuk runs smoothly and safely. And the painters must have a keen eye for detail to make sure that the finish is perfect. The entire process of manufacturing a tuk-tuk is a testament to human ingenuity and hard work. It takes a team of skilled workers, from welders and mechanics to painters and electricians, to create these iconic vehicles that are so popular in many countries. But the end result is worth it. The tuk-tuk is not just a mode of transportation, it's a cultural icon that brings people joy and convenience every day. The next time you hop into a tuk-tuk, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship that went into making it. From the sturdy frame to the powerful engine, Every part was made with precision and care by skilled workers. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride in one of the most uniquely crafted vehicles on the road. Tuktuks are not only manufactured in India, are also produced in several other countries, including Thailand, Vietnam, and Sri Lanka. Each country has its own unique take on the tuk-tuk design, but they all share one thing in common. They are all made with the same level of precision and care. In Thailand, tuk-tuks are often used as tourist attractions themselves, with many drivers decorating their vehicles with bright colors and flashing lights. In Vietnam, tuk-tuks are known for their durability and reliability, often used to transport goods as well as passengers. Sri Lanka, tuk-tuks are used for everything from transporting goods to providing airport transfers for tourists. No matter where you are in the world, you can be sure that when you hop in a tuk-tuk, you're getting a ride that's been made with skill and expertise. The popularity of tuk-tuks shows no signs of slowing down. In recent years, tuk-tuk manufacturers have started to experiment with new technologies to improve the vehicles even further. Some tuk-tuks now come equipped with GPS navigation systems, while others have been converted to run on electric batteries. There are even tuk-tuks that have been designed to transport passengers in luxury, complete with comfortable seating and air conditioning. As tuk-tuk technology continues to evolve, one thing remains constant: the dedication and skill of the manufacturers. Whether you're looking for a fun way to get around town or a reliable mode of transportation for your business, you can trust that a tuk-tuk made by a skilled manufacturer will get the job done in style. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the tropical beaches of Goa, tuk-tuks are an integral part of the local culture. They are not just a means of transportation, but a symbol of the vibrant and diverse communities they serve. So next time you hear the distinctive sound of a tuk-tuk, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and skill that goes into making these remarkable vehicles. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of how a tuk-tuk is made. From the initial assembly of the frame to the final touches on the exterior, each step is carried out with precision and care by skilled workers. The tuk-tuk has evolved over the years, incorporating new technologies and designs while still maintaining its core identity. So the next time you see a tuk-tuk on the road, take a moment to appreciate the intricate manufacturing process that brought this iconic vehicle to life. What do you think about the tuk-tuk manufacturing process? Have you ever driven in a tuk-tuk? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative and entertaining content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.